The safety devices on this pedestal grinder are, first is the shield. So it's a flexible shield, could be located in any position for the operator to see the workpiece. Second device, safety device, is creating a gap, a proper gap between the work rest, this is the work rest, and the grinding wheel. Usually the gap must be 1/16 of an inch minimum to 1/8 of an inch maximum. And the third device, safety device, is the spark arrestor. As we're grinding anything on the grinding wheel, there are sparks being created and they're being thrown around the grinding wheel, and to prevent those sparks from coming out into the operator, there's a spark arrestor which is adjustable as well, and it could be adjusted as the wheel gets smaller in size. You can bring the spark arrestor closer to the center of the grinding wheel.